Hey guys, just want to do a very quick video to update about this trade that I talked about in the free binary option strategy, when trade reverses or when to ride a trend. So we talk about this case study on the pound USD trade. So this trade I mean this setup is still right there right now. And remember how I talked about the selling or the exiting of the trade. This is a 1 hour trade, so this actually has more relevance to Forex than binary in this particular case because it's a very long term trade, although I use an example for binary. In this particular case, when you see the price is going to be here, like you see, since morning it hasn't moved, okay? Like since morning you see it's been here and it's just been sideways. It has not moved at all. It's just like gone like this. So even though I refresh the chart, you find that you see it hardly is gone anywhere since the last time I put up the video. So at this point, basically, it depends on how early you go into the trade. But even if you're able to get in at this line, even if you're able to get in at this line right here, like this one right here, if you got in as early as that, it doesn't mean that just because of that you have a good room to win the trade. Depending on your time frame, let's say, I always go by a theory of how many bars down, so how many bars up. So let's say for equal amount of bars down, 14 bars down, 14 bars up. For binary, this will be my cutoff point, okay? But let's say if within the first few bars it's not moving, I will exit my trade already with a break even or like a small loss. If I was doing a forex trade and I find that it's like right now it's stopping and stalling at 23.6 feeble retracement based on the top to the bottom, then I know that this is a key feeble level. Like I said, I talked about the levels that's going to retrace. Often retraces at 23.6, 38.2, 50%, 61.8. All right. So let's say if it fails to make it past here, it's most definitely going to continue down. But at the same time, when I look at the H4, uh, what I see here is that it still has 1 hour. At the end of this 1 hour, it'll be very, very close. I will not be able to see whether it's able to get above this yellow moving average until after it actually does that. So I have to wait for that to happen before I can really decide to keep or to hold. But for now, what I would otherwise say is that, based on this scenario, what my take is that, I would rather wait for the breakout to happen and then go in for the breakout rather than to try and guess it whether it's going to go up or down. Okay, so anything at this point of time is just basically guesswork, and that's not how I wish to play. Like if you look at my other video, I always say that we try to get the body. We're not trying this area between the dots, okay? This between the blue dots and the red dots, this is like the head and over here like the tail of a fish. We're not trying to get the head and the tail of the fish, we're just trying to get the body. So once it breaks out of either above here or beneath here, we're going to catch the body, and that's going to be quite nice. So let's say if it's down, I would say that this is probably going to go down like all the way from there. But at the same time, if it goes up, then we're more like looking at something at 100% or somewhere up to as much as a 161.8%. And now just going out to the daily chart for more of an insight. I have to reapply this chart because we have too many indicators on it. But okay, daily chart, well, that's actually quite possible, but I don't think it's going to be possible immediately. So the more likelihood is that the way it seems right now, more likely to be down than up. But at the same time, rather than try to predict these things, wait for it to happen. Wait for it to present itself when it breaks some of the dollar lines either to the top or the bottom side. So to learn more about trading and to join my group where I do live daily webinars, go on to thebinarylab.net. Go and sign yourself up. It's free membership as long as you open a broker account with a new binary options broker through Binary Lab. And if you are looking to download the same software that I use xm.com's MT4, you can go to binarylab.net/xm30USD free to get your free broker account with a 30 USD trading credit for Forex. So just to go over some points again, like I teach binary options trading in the Binary Lab, and but however, if you are trading like H1, H4 and above, a lot of my traders also tend to trade Forex simultaneously with binary. Okay, so most of the time I'm doing binary on the webinars, I'll be doing binary most of the time, but at the same time, you're most welcome to explore Forex for longer time frame trades using the methods that I've described like on these free training videos as well as in my private trading group. So once again, if you have any questions about trading, go to facebook.com/thebinarylab page. And to sign up, just go to thebinarylab.net and click the sign up button and you're inside. Trading sessions resume Tuesday this week because Monday is bank holiday for many countries, so we're resuming on Tuesday, and I hope to see you in the next webinar. Goodbye for now.